6c. Let m be the function defined by this formula. Find m prime of 2. Now, at least we don't have to find pi anymore. So let's see. This is going to require the product rule. So I take the second and then multiply by the derivative of this. That requires the chain rule. You get g prime of negative 2x multiplied by the derivative of negative 2x, which is negative 2. Now I reverse, so I take the first function, g of negative 2x, multiplied by the derivative of the second, that's h prime of x, 2 points if I have that written on my paper. No other way to write that down. It has to be written like that. Now you replace all the x's with 2. Oh, that one was already negative 2. So replacing the x's with 2. And start working on it. So negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Nothing else changed. Oh, this negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. H of 2. H of 2. Okay, well, this line goes down 1 and over 3. So down 1 over 3. Which means if I go over 2, I have to go down 2/3. So this is at 2/3 negative, which you can kind of see right there. So once again, I'm going over 3 and I'm going down 1, which means if I only go over 2, I can only go down 2/3 because 2 is 2/3 of 3. So I can only go down 2/3. There, I got that. I have to find the 2/3. They won't give you credit if you stop at h of 2. G prime of negative 4. G prime when x is negative 4, that's a value of negative 1, so I have that written down. The negative 2. G of negative 4 is 5. H prime of 2 we already found earlier is negative 1/3. Stop there. You get the third point for part C. Don't keep going. I kept going in case you did. You can check your work, but you really should stop.